Hey everyone, Tim here from One Man Stream. If you've ever watched a major football broadcast and wondered how they put that yellow first down line on the field, today I'm going to show you how the OMS F10 brings that technology to your own production. The F10 is a real-time virtual graphics system designed for high school and college football broadcasts. It can insert the first down line, yardage graphics, and even sponsor graphics directly onto the playing surface. Let's start with the video signal. The F10 supports both SDI through a Blackmagic Decklink interface and NDI. Your live camera feed comes into the F10 where the system analyzes the field and tracks the camera's movements. You can run the system on a PC with a Decklink card or use a laptop configuration with an Ultra Studio interface. Before the game, you'll perform the F10's 4-point calibration. Using the operator interface, establish your field's reference points. The F10 then uses computer vision to understand the perspective of the field. And because the system uses sensorless AI tracking, you don't need field sensors or mechanical camera encoders. This is where things get really interesting. As the camera pans, tilts, and zooms, the F10 continuously tracks the turf and maintains the position of the virtual line. Intelligent occlusion keeps players naturally layered over the field, so the graphics appear to sit on the field instead of covering the players. Once your graphic is rendered, the F10 can output through SDI or NDI, including NDI with alpha key support. From there, send it directly into your production software, like OBS or vMix. And you're not just limited to the yellow line. The F10 can also put sponsor graphics directly onto the turf, giving local broadcasts another way to create revenue. So if you want broadcast-style first-down graphics without a broadcast truck, the OMS F10 is definitely worth a look. I'm Tim with One Man Stream. Thanks for watching. For more information, check them out online at iovideosolutions.com.